Hey everybody, this is interesting. I was actually contacted by Fundaful and asked to review and do a video. I have already reviewed Fundaful 3 times, I think. And I did Amazon reviews for Fundaful. And I would go and I would pick out a painting and I'd pay for it, and then I'd give her my order number and she would, PayPal me my money back. And I've done like 3 of them. So Fundaful I've worked with in the past, but this one's a little different. She contacted me, and apparently she's contacted some other people as well to do YouTube videos. So we've moved on from the Amazon reviews, which I've done, to YouTube video reviews. So a Fundaful, there you go. She had several images you could choose from. She does have stuff that ships from China, but then she has stuff that's on Amazon that you can get Prime. So this came in like 2 days. Several of the images, when I saw what she was offering, I already had, because like I said, I've already reviewed them. And I reviewed them on Amazon for her. She does a nice job though. She's got this cute little box with all kinds of crafty things on it. Her name is Lou. She has a Facebook page as well. She's got steps to diamond paint on the back of her box. And her stuff is really nice. She really does a good job with her packaging, and yeah, she does a good job. Her kits are very nice. This one is a long and skinny one, it looks like. Oh, I know it is. I know what it is. So, and it wants to just let it sit. We got some tweezers hanging out here by themselves. And we have 2 straighteners. We have a shorter straightener and a big long straightener if you want to straighten your drills. Here's our inventory sheet. We'll look at that in a second. And then here's her tool kit. It has 2 pens. I don't know, maybe it's because of the size of this. I don't think I've ever gotten 2 pens before. Green boat, some baggies, and wax. That's pretty close. Whew. Hope you can see that okay. Here's our drills. All right, there's our drills. Here's our item number. That's the item number. That should be on the canvas. We'll look at those in a minute. It's a round painting. And this is an inventory sheet. It has 30 colors. That's quite a few, 30. Fundaful. And you might see it under Wending. Yes, right there. Wending diamond painting or Fundaful. They're the same person. All right, just so you know. And her name is Lou. There's her Facebook, Lou Fang. She has a group and everything. I'm part of the group and, stuff like that. So this, like I said, is a long, skinny one. And here's our legend over here. Got our legend with our colors, our DMC codes. And we're going to try to get into this thing. It's going to be one piece of paper just because it's skinny and it's long. Let's see if we can get into it. It is with the double-sided tape. But in the past, it hasn't been a problem. It's been really in good shape. I just tore it though. The canvases have been really nice, the ones I've gotten in the past. So I don't have any doubt that this will be nice as well. All right, let's see if we can get this going. It keeps tearing though. Come on, don't want you to tear anymore. Stop the tearing. All right, I think I got it to stop tearing. Maybe. Okay. Still tearing, tearing, tearing. Oh, man. It's on here pretty tight, so it just wants to tear. Let's see if I can do it this way. Hold the paper like this. Pull the canvas this way. There we go. I got the paper to stop tearing anyhow. Okay, now if I can just hold it tight. Here we go. There we go. I see a cardinal. Do you see a cardinal? I see a cardinal. All right, we're gonna roll with it like this. You're gonna see my arm, but there's another cardinal and a bluebird. And keep going. Sorry about the arm, but this is the only way I can do this. It's long and skinny. Another bluebird. Oh, those look like Baltimore Orioles down here. Chickadees maybe up in the corner. Yeah, the orange would tell me it's Baltimore Orioles. And then chickadees. All right, I'm going to try to just flip this like this. This canvas looks really good, you guys. Let me look really close. Let me get right down. Yeah, it's beautiful. There's nothing wrong with that canvas. That's beautiful. Oop, my paper's coming up. I didn't want it to do that. You just stay right there. Pretty, huh? In the trees, the bird houses, 4 different kinds of birds, 4 different bird houses. Isn't it cute? I love birds. I love watching my birds. Most of those birds grace my house, my property, my area, except for the bluebirds. I haven't seen bluebirds. I have a bluebird house. I need to like do something with, fix it up a little bit, put it out. Maybe if I put the bluebird house out, I'll get bluebirds. What do you think? I got some paper stuck over here in my glue, but it's not a huge deal. It's just in the glue on the edge. It's not on the painting. So, isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. Very, very confetti heavy. You do get some lines, a little bit of multi-placing down here, but that's going to be a lot of confetti. But it is so pretty. So pretty. Can you see the whole thing? There you go. I'm going to measure it in a second when I put the paper back on and see if it's 50 by 30. Let's see if we can do this really carefully because this canvas is really nice. I don't see any rivers or bubbles or anything like that, so I'm trying not to make any. Let's just carefully put it on, flatten it out. There we go. Keep it nice and flat, nice and smooth. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, it's on crooked though, so now I'm gonna have to fix it. I'll do that later. I'm not gonna struggle with it right now. It's on a little crooked down here. Let's see how this measures. Let's go from right here. I can see the cymbal start right there. And that is just about 50, 49 and a half, I think. We'll give it 49 and a half. And this way, the cymbals are right there. That's 30. So it's true to size. It's good, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to pull that up and put it down again straighter. I don't want to mess this up at all because it's really in really great condition. There's no bubbles, the tape's on there really good. So we're not going to mess with it too much. We're going to just, I'll try one more time to get it on straight. Yeah. Let's look at the drills though. Pretty, pretty colors. Pretty colors. So we have blues, gray, red, and browns. These are all browns coming up. Brown, brown, tan, brown. All them birdhouses. Red, green, big bunch of this beige. And a darker beige. Look at my Orioles. I love Orioles. They were probably my favorite backyard bird. And we get Orioles. Oh, I love them. They're so vibrant. They're so pretty. Yeah. I put oranges out for them. And then I put some suet. That's like an orange suet. They love it. That's how you get Orioles. I know. It's a white. Dusty rose. Dusty purple. Look at that bright blue. That's got to be for the bluebird. Yeah, I need to get that bluebird house out. I want to get bluebirds. Look at that orange. That's what a Baltimore Oriole looks like, you guys. Those colors right there. It's that bright. Seriously, if you've never seen a Baltimore Oriole, they're that bright. Brown. A dusty blue. And then, oh my goodness, bam, neon green. Where does that go? Where's that neon green go? It's got to be like in the trees and stuff. I don't know. Ah, that's bright. Woo! Anyhow, this is a lovely, lovely kit. True to size. I don't have any questions about the drills, really. The drills are always really nice. And the colors are beautiful. This canvas is in great shape. She has a nice tool kit. I mean, Lou does a great job. She's a diamond painter. She knows what she likes. She knows what people like, and she just does a nice job. So thank you, Lou, for letting me review this one for you. So I'm pleased to do so. So anyhow, you guys, there's that. Check out Lou and Fundaful on Amazon. Like I said, some things are Prime and will come right away, and other things will come from China if you like that. But yeah, check her out. And she's great. She's easy to work with. She's very friendly too. Her and I message back and forth quite a bit. So anyhow, thanks for watching, you guys. And hit the like button, subscribe button. I'll link it below as usual. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.